All right, so right now we are going to learn about credits, and sometimes you'll get credits for different reasons, whether it might have been a discount or some kind of fee, or maybe a correction on an invoice. And so you'll get those generally by email. We have one here for Wallace Hardware, and it's for a booth charge $575. So we're going to go ahead and process that. And so we go into Acumatica, into receivables and invoices and memos, and we're going to hit boom, the plus sign. Then we're going to change this up here to credit memo, and the customer is Wallace Hardware. All right, and then some sort of description for it, and this is for 2021 fall booth charge. 2021 fall booth charge. All right, so then we're going to hit the plus sign, and we don't have to put in inventory ID for this, just because it's a random charge. It's not necessarily related to a product or an invoice. And we're going to just here fall booth charge 611. 6. Right, we're going to hit 1 here. Unit price is $575. And then after that, we're going to hit save and go to reports and print it out. Make sure everything's correct. And we're going to download this to, oh, we're already there. So it would be, this is for Southwestern Creations. We're going to go to accounts receivable. We'll put this in invoices, the year 2021, and it's 2021 0701 21746. This is Wallace credit, and hit save. Wait until it pops up. There you go. Close it out, and then we got to send the customer back the credit. So just send this back so that they have a copy of it. Copy for your records, and boom, and we're done. So there you go, how to process a credit, and they're going to come in different forms, so definitely different for every single credit. All right, have a great day.